Hey, Ryan from Modular Racks. Wanted to show you guys a really quick video of this setup. This is a really neat setup because you kind of get everything, cake and eat it too. Because first we've got the Treeline Redwood tent. This is an 87-inch tent. It's a true 4-person tent. It's huge, one of the biggest ones on the market. To do that, you need a really heavy-duty rack. So we had another piece here, and that is that the customer wanted to keep their hard folding tonneau cover so that they have lockable, weather-tight storage. So we chose the Adarac system. And this Adarac system gives us the height to be able to use the tonneau cover and clear it while having enough height to put bikes or boxes or anything else we want in here. Now, one of my concerns with this setup was being so tall, and this tent's about 200 or 220 pounds, it's heavy, was this rack going to be sturdy enough? And I can show you here, you can see that whole truck is shaking and there is no movement in this rack, basically whatsoever. Thoroughly impressed. This rack is incredibly strong. It allows you to have a full Bakflip Tonneau cover with whatever you want to put on the top. This rack actually has a 500-pound dynamic load weight rating, which is huge. And best of all, it's a no-drill application. So these tracks sit on your bed rail. These rails are adjustable front to back. A couple of bolts back here means they're removable if you want them completely gone. And that's it. This is the Treeline 87 dual ladder 4-person tent. Adarac Bed Rack system with a Bakflip Tonneau cover on this Chevy Silverado. My name is Ryan, Modular Racks. If you guys got any questions about this or any other rack setups or tents, please comment below or be in touch. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.